Since 1928, Swedish chemical manufacturer Ausun have developed products for rust protection, sound damping, roof care, and wood protection. In this film, we'll take a closer look at Ausun's cutting-edge rust protection products. We are proud to deliver not only some of the world's best rust protection products, but also the eco-friendliest rust protection product line available today. All of our products are manufactured to stringent environmental standards and deliver premium results. The key to our success lies not only in our products and rust protection methods. Customer care is an integral part of our success. Our customers are valued partners, and we treat them as such, knowing that a satisfied customer will become a valuable Ausun ambassador. First, some basic facts about vehicles and corrosion. The moment a vehicle enters service, it will start to corrode. Mechanical wear such as road particles and water in the form of snow, ice, and rain, combined with chemicals such as road salt, will immediately assault any bare metallic surfaces, resulting in corrosion. Surprisingly, most vehicles have little or no rust protection when delivered from the factory. Typically, the paint on the vehicle is 3 to 4 times thicker than the protection applied to the vehicle's underbody, arguably the area most in need of protection. This is also true of the interior parts of the chassis and bodywork, such as the doors and the bonnet. To achieve the best protective effect, a vehicle should receive its first thorough treatment when brand new. However, any vehicle, old or new, will benefit from the treatment. Note that any corrosion already present when the vehicle is treated will remain. However, Noxidol's and Me르카솔's chemical formula will not only stop further corrosion, but also heal moderately affected areas. Vehicles driven lightly on good roads in a warm climate require less protection than vehicles driven in harsher conditions. Therefore, some vehicles may require additional treatment throughout its life for maximum protection. Older cars can also be treated to good effect. Sealing off affected areas will halt any ongoing corrosion and prevent further damage. It's now time to familiarize ourselves with the actual process of rust-proofing using Noxidol and Me르카솔 products. No matter where you are in the world, the Noxidol and Me르카솔 experience should be consistent and always deliver great results and great customer satisfaction. Let's meet our 3 main characters: the vehicle, the client, and Robert, a rust fighter. Before the actual treatment takes place, the vehicle is thoroughly inspected. To establish the level of corrosion present, the vehicle is examined both externally and internally. State-of-the-art fiber optic cameras are used to assess the internal status of the vehicle. With a small and flexible form factor, the cameras can easily probe deep into otherwise hidden parts of the vehicle and spot any ongoing corrosion. The chassis, underbody, and other vulnerable areas are evaluated and rated. The rust fighter then walks the client through his findings. The client then decides on the level of treatment he wishes to apply to the vehicle. The determining factor is typically the amount of time he wishes to own and operate the vehicle safely. The rust fighter will then recommend a level of treatment that will satisfy the demands of the customer. In this case, the customer decides to apply the maximum level of protection and hands the vehicle over for treatment. Before the actual protective coats are applied, the vehicle is prepared by the rust fighter. First, the vehicle is washed. Any plastic panels fitted to the underbody are removed to expose the surfaces that require treatment. This will differ depending on the vehicle type and model. For maximum adhesion of the protective compounds to the metal, the vehicle is washed again, thoroughly removing any dirt, grease, and grime. Parts that are not treated are covered in protective plastic. An air ventilation system is hooked up overnight to completely dry out the chassis. With the vehicle now properly prepared, the rust fighters start the process by treating the inside of the doors. Using a high-pressure pump, a clear wax-like fluid is applied onto the inside of the door. The fluid will settle into the folds of the sheet metal and stop moisture and water from pooling and prevent corrosion. The rust fighter then moves on to treat the bonnet, tailgate, and the chassis. Using specialized nozzles, such as this long, thin nozzle, the rust fighter can easily reach the innermost parts of the vehicle and apply a protective coat. To demonstrate, the inside of this plastic bottle is completely treated in a matter of seconds. Using pressurized air to apply the protective compounds ensures great penetration and a good, even application that will provide a great seal when the compound hardens. Methodically working his way through the vehicle, the rust fighter is careful to treat every exposed surface, both internally and externally. The compounds used will harden over time and form a strong, protective seal with tar-like properties. Now, let's have a look at the result of the work of the rust fighter. This is the wheelhouse prior to treatment. Notice the bare metal. And here it is with a strong coat of protective compound. The metal is completely covered with a heavy-duty protective compound. And finally, this is the wheelhouse with the protective covers fitted. The vehicle is now fully treated and reassembled on time. Before delivery, the car is given a complimentary wash. When taking delivery of a treated vehicle, the customer receives a protocol detailing the treatment given and an official Noxidol or Mersol certificate. These documents are only issued by certified Noxidol and Mersol facilities and are proof that the vehicle has been properly treated. Sun has a rust-proofing solution for every situation, from inconspicuous clear wax to heavy-duty protection reinforced with fiber to withstand even the toughest environments. Our products are divided into two product lines. Mersol is our traditional line of rust-proofing compounds and offers heavy-duty protection for your vehicle in the toughest environments. Mersol is the best choice for vehicles and machinery operated in rough terrain, icy environments, and in regions where road salt is commonly used. Noxidol is our unique, best-in-class, eco-friendly product line, delivering excellent solvent-free rust protection and prevention. Our tradition of continuous improvement and constant research has made the manufacturing process for Mersol and Noxidol efficient and eco-friendly. We deliver some of the best rust-proofing products available today, and we are proud to help preserve the vehicles of countless clients all over the world. Our Sun, your bodyguard for the car.